Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 70, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from recycle bin on this device. Firstly, you need to open Gallery, then click Albums, and here you will see recently deleted folder. Open it, and as you can see here you will see your deleted photos and videos, and as you can see, photos and videos will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown up to 30 days. So after the 30 days, all your photos and videos will be temporarily, permanently removed from your device, but in this time you can recover it. Okay, so just choose photos and videos you want to recover and click restore. Go back, open photos, and as you can see, here we have our photos and videos. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.